guys! We're back again in Siargao for our annual family December trip. And now, this is my 4th time in Siargao. Ngayon, ang plan lang ng itinerary is mag-island hopping kami. And for the rest of the days, wala lang, no itinerary. Kanya-kanya lang kami up to New Year. So today, nagalagay lang sila ng gamit kasi we're gonna go island hopping and I'm gonna take you with me again. So, yeah. Andito na kami sa port of General Luna and naantay pa yung second batch ng nasa van kasi hindi kami kasya sa isang batch. Lupos na sa likod. Nagkasunod ako dito sa tour guide. Yeah, it's so hot!
Save me, I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been.
So, the last time na nakatry kami mag-island hopping sa Siargao was way back 2019 na. And it's 2025 ngayon, way back 6 years ago na yun. So, I don't know if anong something new. And andito na yung briefing.
I am Joy, your tour guide for today's adventure. Welcome to the surfing capital of the Philippines, General Luna, Siargao Island. So, our itinerary for today is the famous Try Island po. Yun po yung Guyam, Naked, and the Daku Island. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you, mabuhay. Salamat!
Waking up too early, I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places on the phases we call.
We are now at Naked Island. So, I had to change kasi mabasa ako from the lower below. I had to change. And back here after 6 years.
You start to change, but do you ever wake up feeling like everything that's strange racing by a one-way ticket and bought onto a plane and fly? It's
Ada, say hi to the vlog.
out of space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true.
Dito kami sa Daco Island. Waiting kami for our lunch, which is budol fried na may Siargao. And then, waiting din kami sa shake. Nag-change ako ng outfit kasi pwede na makababa ng port na.
Hi everyone, we're in Siargao.
Yaw!
We're in Yao.
So, nag-change ako kasi mas malapit na yung, mas less submerged na yung feet ko and lower body ko sa
Baby, it's you. I don't wanna be with you. Baby, this
So, we have this as one sa kainin sa budol fried. And first time namin siya i-eat na ganito. Naboy! Oh, so good! Hi, tita!
Hello.
Hi!
So this is
salty.
it's meal. You want to try it?
Go! Nasa siyang crabs.
Lasa siyang.
Nasa siyang crabs. Na!
Yeah. Lasa siyang.
So, how is it?
Masarap san?
Hindi lasang crabs.
Hindi. Muwatan ni Jack Crab sinanamanan.
crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back.
We are at Guyam Island, our last stop sa island hopping before we go back to the main island. And nag-CR pa sila before we take our photo ops. And tambay kami here for 40 minutes. So yeah, the view is very nice. The water is very clear. Papunta here, grabe ang waves. So we could feel it masyado yung pag-angat ng boat. So hot, grabe kainit ang panahon ngayon. But it's better than ulan. Kasi yesterday daw umulan.
But I guess ducks can be deceiving. In the spaces we call love won't have a fade away. But do you ever wake up feeling like you're living day to day? Wishing back.
So, naligo sila. Ako lang hindi because I don't wanna get wet. Pero naiitim na rin ako. Naiitim na rin ako dahil sa araw. But yeah, it's so pretty here.
Isn't that belief, girl? Baby,
guys, akala ko din. So, tinangay niya to. Kukuha lang dapat sila toiletries. And then, merong nuts. Pink. So, we're back sa room. Hindi na kayo maglabas ata kasi gusto na magpahinga kasi makapag-road tomorrow. Full day kami mag-ride na para bang ang galing-galing namin na motor. Full day. Mga first timer, right? Hindi pa na first time. For pictorial lang ito. Mag-abot tayo north bukas.
Kaya ba?
Pakiramdaman mo na natin ng...
Kailangan ko ng pukari yata bukas.
Hi guys.
Hi guys! We're vlogs!
We're vlogging. I'm Siargao.
So, nakatapos na namin breakfast and papunta kami dun sa motor kung saan kayo mag-rent nung may sidecar. Kung kaya namin, i-try muna namin before namin siya i-rent. Dito na sa may unahan. Feeling ko din. So, ito yung plan namin na gusto namin i-try na motor. So, if single, di kami marunong mag-balance.
Marunong ka mag-try nito. Hindi ka mahihirapan.
Oo, te, gano'n na lang muna i-try natin, te. Baka kaya natin.
So, guys, mag-try kami muna. Before kami mag-larga. Kasi, cafe hopping lang kami today. So, kailangan namin ng ride.
Unahin yung cream akin. Ay pa daw.
Kung pag-compare niya na lang, paano na yan?
Tips.
Sakay mo na ako.
Bye, guys. Go, Cax. Hi, Cax! Hi, Cax! Hey! So, dahil success yung pag-test drive ni Kakasay, ma-rent namin yung sidecar.
Natin parinig.
So, mabalik na kami ng hotel and mag-prepare para maka-prepare for the cafe hopping. So, tapos na kami prepare and everything. Inaantay na lang namin ng dad ko. Actually, almost more than an hour na kami nag-wait sa kanya kasi sabi niya, inaantay lang daw yung tuk-tuk. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin siya. Nandito kami ngayon sa lobby area. This is also where we had our breakfast and dinner last night. And ngayon, it's almost lunchtime. So, feeling ko, we're gonna cut down sa mga resto or cafe na daanan namin. Kasi medyo malayo-layo din yung ride from there. And of course, we're gonna take our time. Hindi kami mag-rush. So, probably, konti lang yung pupuntahan namin. Also, I look so plain ngayon. I don't have any other jewelries because I wanted to wear these ones which I bought for this trip. But my ears are crying. Nagreklamo because yesterday's earrings were too heavy for my ears. So ngayon, masakit siya lagyan ng earrings. And I cannot wear earrings ngayon. Lang, that's an update. We're gonna start our hopping. Si Dada ginapatas sa amin kasi mabigat siya. Whee! Ang sister ko, nag-insist siya na mag-solo motor siya. And ngayon, tinatanong niya paano magdiretso, paano patayin, matigas daw, mabigat, hindi niya abot yung baba. Bali, parang meron yata mali-discussion for today na naman ulit. For time, take 2, nag-discussion niya last ng pag-trygo namin. So, yeah, guys, let's go. And ito magpamilya. Hi, sexy! Let's go! Hi, guys. I'm gonna attempt to drive first. Bye! Yeah. It's really hot.
A few moments later.
So, yan. It's the clear. Hanggang ngayong araw na lang ako yung buhay ko. Ate! Guys! Hindi pa ako nakakagawa ng last will and testament ko po. Pwedeng dito na lang.
Ang gaganda-ganda yun.
Ito lang sa kapila mo ka? Ka? Ba't hindi yung sabi niya kalo?
Kailangan may tao dyan, Kim, ah. Ako. Videoan niyo ko, ah. Sa utak ko na yun.
Paano kayo mag-video na mag-vlog? Kanina pa sila nag-poster, kanina nag-sigaw-sigaw. Ate! Ate! Maranay ko ako!
Ba't ka nagasigaw? Kala ko ang nangyari sa inyo nagasigaw.
Sige kami sa masangit kami ng masangit.
Hoy, kayo sa lang yun! Grabe kayo! Ikaw na lang pasay!
Here at this Huwag ka na magilid ah.
I know I can be a pain, but you're the one that keeps me.
We're at the whale shop. Daan na kami here.
And you know that I need that.
God, I feel like I tanned na. Yung bra ko, naghiwalay na siya after driving. Oh my God. But I like it today. It's very, like, I think like I'm gonna dance. Yeah. Hi, we got buy one, take one slippers. Cute.
85 yung ba? 799 million.
Hi guys, I got earrings. Matching the fit. She got, cap.
Magkano to? 4 no? Yung helmet. Ano pa yung ganyan?
Hi guys, so we're swapping na to drive.
Pangit ako mag-drive.
Tita, kakasave na mag-drive.
Sa kanya, sasakay ako kasi ikaw na magbibiyahe.
There's no need to hesitate. If things go wrong, we'll take a break. I know it ain't easy.
Hi guys! So ako ngayon na astas. Kami ng Lamari.
Okay, I don't need to worry when I'm with you. When I'm with you.
Per hour na po, pwede kami spend dito.
Can I have the physical menu na lang? So we're at Lamari. Dito kami mag-lunch with the family. Yes, I think I tanned a bit na. It's okay. So pretty. Diba?
Haba pala naman yung gamitin. Tama sabi pala yung mahaba. Ang sarap to ah. Kanya?
Hi! Hi guys.
Pasahero!
Ay, ito yung upuan ko guys. Ay! Wait lang. Ay! O diba, ang bigat?
So, we're here at Andy Eigenman Cafe. We're parking ngayon. We're having a struggle kasi bumababa yung yung aming cart, yung aming motor. So, maghanap pa si Dada ng other na maparkan.
I can't think straight right now, baby, but you should know that that don't faze me. 'Cause I don't be
We're at Happy Islanders. Matula si Annie here. Order si Kakasay. Drink. So kakatapos lang namin sa Happy Islanders. And balik daw muna kami na accommodation before kami mag-cloud9 surfing later. And ako daw muna mag-drive.
this dream that
Ingat ka dyan!
in the car. We flip a coin, or we follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns.
Hindi kami matuloy mag Cloud9 and I changed fit. Pati din sila. Because we're gonna go to Katangnan Bridge na lang instead and mag-roam around sa Tourism Road to check some souvenirs. Sama-sama lang sa kanila and I'm gonna be the driver for today, tonight pala. Okay guys! We're going to Katangnan! Yung isa doon! Yeah! Bye! So we're at Katangnan na. We're gonna wait out the sunset here. Hi! Low tide ngayon.
I like the composure that you have.
You know what? I feel composed. Why? You're all alive. You don't have ano. The other person is alive.
Trigger niya.
Yung mga pasahero ko.
2 years ago pa yung na-intereso ko sa inyo. Sabi ka late yung mag-signal.
Yung navigation ko, kakasabi di ba yun yung likuan natin? Sabi niya, ayun na yun.
Kasi nagtatingin kasi ako kay ate kasi ma-worry din ako sa datingin din ako sa kaya nakabigala pa ako ng signal. Hindi ikaw? Hindi ikaw nag... Yung una yung liko, pati yung mga tao nakagilid ko nagtaka rin sa inyo. Sabi niya, ay na, mag-right pala ito sila. Ano naman ang challenge ko? Ano nangyari? Bulag din. Ay, na-discard. Kasi kayo nag-video.
Ano mo i-video mo? Kadlim-dilim. Ilaw mo ang naga-flash.
Okay lang, kahit ano masaya ako kasi nakikita lang na nagmumotor ako.
We went back sa accommodation because hindi ako makadisgrasya. And we decided na lang na magbalik na lang. Kasi hindi rin talaga ako makakaroon ng maayos sa gabi. So, medyo scary siya. So, nagbalik na lang kami dito sa accommodation to have our dinner and mag-rest because we still have tomorrow and sa January 1 to buy souvenirs and go to Tourism Road yung may araw at safe kaysa tonight.
So, kasali din siya na makapili ng pagdang. Bakit pa tayo sabi kanina na ay sidecar naman ang pangga?
Sidecar na din yung
Buhay ng matanong. Kawawa lang yung sasakyan. Yung bisa niya. Sabi ko, naputol kaya ang katawan ng tawag kaya ako kay bro. Nagkantay na lang ako. Ako nasa likod niya, sabi niya, Be, puntahan ko ba?
Crasher. Kaya pa mga bata, wag.
Sabi ko, bro, nandito na kami sa hotel, bilihan mo kami ng dinner. Tapos sabi niya, na ano, wala kayong gas-gas.
Kasi baka may nasa disgrasya kaysa raw.
Sige, bayaran lang, bayaran. Si Tata.
Hi guys! Passenger Princess tayo for today. For tonight, I mean. Andito ang financer. Convoy sa likod. So, we're back here again sa Tourism Road. With the financiers. Tita and Dada. So, mag-buy kami ng mga souvenirs. Since nandito naman sila, they're gonna pay for it. So, yeah. So, we bought this one for tomorrow daw for the games sa Secret Beach. So, pare-pareho daw kami ganito. Buy ka ganyan? It's nice. They're paying already. So sleepy. I've been awake since 3 a.m. So, pagod so much.